Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Need for Speed Heat on a low-end PC. First, it is crucial to ensure your system meets the minimum requirements, such as an Intel Core i5 3570 or AMD FX 6350 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a GeForce GTX 760 or Radeon 7970 graphics card. Always update your graphics drivers to their newest version. Additionally, close any background applications to free up valuable system resources before you start playing. Next, let's dive into the in-game graphics settings. For the best performance, always select full screen mode. Navigate to graphics quality and choose custom, then set shadow quality to low, as shadows significantly impact performance. Turning off motion blur and ambient occlusion will also provide a substantial boost to your frame rate. Consider setting your resolution scale to 100% or even lower, like 75%, to gain more frames per second. To further enhance your experience, consider some advanced tweaks. Installing the game on a solid-state drive, or SSD, can drastically reduce loading times and minimize stuttering. It is also beneficial to disable any in-game overlays from platforms such as Steam or Origin, as these can consume extra resources. For some systems, modifying the game's executable compatibility to Windows 7 and disabling full-screen optimizations in its properties can help reduce CPU usage and improve stability. Finally, it is important to set realistic expectations for playing on a low-end PC. You can typically achieve a playable experience, often between 30 and 60 frames per second, by carefully adjusting these settings. Remember to prioritize smooth gameplay over ultra-high visual fidelity. Experiment with each setting to discover the best balance for your unique hardware configuration. With these adjustments, you can still enjoy the high-octane action of Need for Speed Heat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.